If I didn't say it, many people wouldn't have known. Put the potatoes in the pan and fry them. The moment they come out of the pan, they become the signature dish of a 5-star high-end hotel. The cost is only 2 yuan, but it actually sells for 88 yuan. People who have eaten it say it's good, almost a must-try. Old people and children love it, and the recipe is also very simple. After watching it, you'll have learned another difficult-looking dish that's sure to get the whole family praising your cooking skills. Follow my video and take a look. First, prepare 2 potatoes picked from the field. Wash off the soil on their surface with running water, then use a peeler to remove the skin. To make this dish, the potatoes should be slightly larger and longer so they'll have a beautiful shape. Peel the potatoes and cut them in half in the middle, then trim off the ends. Place a pair of chopsticks on both sides of each potato and use a sharp knife to cut thick slices, being careful not to cut all the way through. Try to make the cuts as even as possible. After slicing, it should look like it does in the video. Next, place the potatoes in a bowl, sprinkle some salt on them, and let them marinate to draw out moisture, which will make the potatoes soft. Use your hands to spread the salt evenly. Then, pour water over the potatoes and let them soak for 3 minutes. This will prevent oxidation and wash off some of the surface starch. After 3 minutes, you'll notice that the potatoes have softened without breaking. Rinse them again to remove the salt and pat them dry. Now prepare a plate with 2 spoons of cornstarch. Coat each potato evenly with a thin layer of starch, as this will make them crispy. After coating, it should look as shown in the video. Then, take a piece of ham sausage and place it in the middle of each potato, securing it with a toothpick. Heat a clean pot with cooking oil to 70 degrees. Carefully place the potatoes in the oil, making sure not to disturb them at first, as this will help the starch coating stay intact. Fry the potatoes, and after 1 minute, turn them over with chopsticks for even heating. Many people enjoy watching videos quietly, but a thumbs up is appreciated. It means a lot. Fry the potatoes until they're golden and crispy on the outside, then remove and set them aside on a plate. In a small bowl, combine a spoonful of thick orange juice, tomato sauce, white sugar, white vinegar, and a little water, stirring evenly with chopsticks. In the pot, heat a little cooking oil and pour in the sugar-vinegar mixture. Simmer on low heat until it thickens, then add a spoonful of light oil to enhance the color. Stir evenly, then turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Pour the warm sugar-vinegar sauce evenly over the potatoes. Look at the color. It's beautiful. Finally, sprinkle a handful of sesame seeds on top for extra flavor. A beautiful and delicious denglong potato is ready. It looks so appetizing I can't help but drool. This dish is sure to be a hit. Perfect for sharing in class, impressing your family, or delighting children. The potatoes are crispy on the outside with a sweet and sour sauce that's both delicious and appetizing. If you like it, give it a try at home.